Well, hello. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've said that and I am so excited to officially be back. I feel like it's been at least a month since I filmed a video. I can't remember the last time I uploaded a video, but I'm so happy to be here. I feel like this video is gonna be so awkward. It's been a while since I filmed, but your girl is back. Taking a break has been wonderful. I would highly recommend anybody who's online to take a social media break, especially if you feel overwhelmed, if you feel like you need it. Listen to your body, take a break. I took the time to self-reflect, thinking about me, my messaging, my platform, what I want my platform to stand for. And for me, it's about authenticity, accepting your own beauty, not feeling like you need to change your hair, your skin, or you need to be this different person to fit in a certain space. For me, it's very important to be authentic. And I also want to embody the notion of loving yourself, caring for yourself, not just from the outside perspective, but also on the inside, nourishing yourself and just taking care of yourself in a wholesome way. So this is basically what my messaging is going to be and what my platform is going to stand for. So not just beauty and hair and skincare, but also a bit of self-development, mindset, therapy, all the challenges and struggles that a lot of us don't talk about, but we are actually all going through them. Anyways, all that to say, taking a break was wonderful. And I didn't realize how bad I needed a break until I was actually complaining to Bay about it. I was complaining to him about Instagram and how I felt like it was a lot. Anyways, it's a lot. And he was like, you're consuming too much and not creating enough. And I was like, first of all, when did this man get so wise? But second of all, he's right. When you think about how fast content is being thrown at us, how fast everything is moving, we don't even have time to really think. And we're just being bombarded by everybody's seemingly perfect lives. Anyways, all that to say, if Instagram wasn't part of my job or social media wasn't part of what I do, if social media didn't find me so many years ago, I probably wouldn't even be online. But that's a story for another day. But yes, if you are feeling overwhelmed or you're feeling like there's a lot going on and you just need to take a step back, I would highly encourage it. Do it. While I was away, I got so much work done. And one thing that I've been talking about for a while, and if you follow me on Instagram, you know this, is my website. Honestly, it's taken me a whole year to get it done. And yes, 365 days, girl. The website is done. And I am so happy to finally launch it. I'm just tweaking it just a little bit. Okay, y'all know I'm like a perfectionist. I want it to be perfect, but I don't need it to be perfect. I'm working through it. I am working through it. But when you think about it, you don't own any of your social media sites, right? The plan for the website is that it's going to be the hub for the Jen J brand. So along with blog posts as well as insane value that I plan on posting about, especially in the world of self-development, mindset, productivity, and all of that, I think it'll be interesting to have written format of the things that I'm going through, but also it will house everything that I'm working on. So ultimately, when the brand start expanding, because that's where we're going, the website is going to be a perfect area that I can use to do that. And also, when you have any questions about what I'm using, what products is best for this, or what I'm currently using, what did I use for my makeup, any of these questions, I want you to be able to find them easily on the website. So I had a specific idea in mind and I'm just so happy that I was able to get it done. And I needed to just focus. That's what it was. I felt like I was all over the place, working my 9 to 5, creating content, and then trying to get some projects done here and there whenever I can, and I was getting overwhelmed. So taking a break allowed me to focus and getting the website done. So without further ado, there's gonna be a link in the description box for you to sign up for the newsletter. I would highly encourage you to do so because I plan on sending out weekly newsletters, nothing too crazy, but anything that I do, especially social media posts that are just, fleeing, it's very easy to just swipe and then it's gone. Then the newsletter is going to be a nice little weekly recap so that you don't miss anything. Link will be in the description box. The second thing that I did while I was away, and this one is kind of a big deal, I applied to be part of the Sephora Squad again. And I say again because this is my third time applying, girl. So I'm gonna need your help. If you don't know, Sephora has a year-long partnership where they allow influencers to not only learn from each other, but also work closely with brands and learn from industry leaders. Being able to connect with not only other influencers, but the Sephora team, as well as brand founders to build my network in this industry that I'm trying to break into will be so invaluable to me. And I really need your help to do that. To help support my application, please take a moment to leave a heartfelt testimonial. I will leave the link in the description box. Think about how my content has been inspiring, motivating. Has it impacted you in any way? And if it did, consider leaving a testimonial. Again, the link will be in the description box. If you've gotten any type of value from all of the videos that I've been posting over the years, do me this little favor, girl, and do it. My goal is to get 1,000 testimonial. And at first, I actually thought that it was out of rage. I was like, Jen, you're bugging. 1,000 testimonial, but I've only posted it on Instagram as well as the community tab on YouTube, and I've gotten about 150 testimonial already. So I feel like I can actually do this. So link will be down below. Go ahead and leave a heartfelt testimonial. Not just any kind of testimonial, girl, okay? Think about it. Take a second to think about it and think about how valuable my content has been, and if it's been inspiring, motivational, impactful, and let them know why I deserve a chance to be on the squad. Alright, so switching things up a little bit, I feel like it wouldn't be a Jen J video if we didn't talk a little bit about mindset, self-development, right? And while I was away, like I said, I took some time to really self-reflect and think about me in a sense, but also think about my messaging and what I'm doing online. And I'm still going strong with therapy as well. So it's been pretty nice seeing the progress that I'm doing in therapy. And half of the time, I'm not even gonna lie, I kind of feel like canceling my sessions or pushing them back. But then when I do show up, first of all, I'm very happy that I show up for me, okay? That's huge. And second of all, I get so much value from my sessions, and I'm like, Jen, why are you trying to do this to yourself? Why are you trying to sabotage yourself? Like, I'm telling you, the devil is all around you, okay? It's not even me. I just be minding my business, and he'd be like, don't go to therapy. And I'm like, you know what? That's what we're not gonna do. Anyways, my last session was very impactful because I am opening up about the life of an entrepreneur in therapy, finally. Like, I feel like the first 11 sessions that I've had, we've just been really talking about me and like my childhood, trying to unpeel the layers that makes me, why I do certain things or why I don't do certain things. And now I'm talking about this part of my life, the entrepreneurship part, and I'm trying to understand why I struggle with it so hard, right? Some people are just able to do it and get it done, and then there's people like me that doubt themselves every step of the way. And I've been trying to understand why, and what I'm learning is that fear has been playing a huge role in my life for the longest time. I didn't even know it. And what I'm also learning with entrepreneurship is that it is not only a journey of self-development, I said that already, but also facing yourself and facing things that you didn't even know were there. Challenges you didn't know were there. Areas where you blocked, but you didn't even know you were blocked. So for me, example, the idea of fear, right? I didn't even know I was operating from a place of fear. And what I do is I focus on what potentially could not work versus just giving it a chance and seeing what happens, okay? Just like YOLO, let's see what happens. But what I do is I think about what may not work, and I just keep focusing on that. And that is not a mindset to have if you're an entrepreneur. And I wanted to talk about it just a little bit in this video because I know a lot of us, or a lot of you guys who watch us, are influencers and you're trying to make it in this space. And the thing is, every step of the way, I feel like you are going to get faced with yourself. You're facing yourself and you're going to doubt yourself. Am I good enough? Should I even be in this space? Am I adding any value? And also thinking about working with brands and them. Working with brands is all fine and dandy until you gotta negotiate and they are lowballing you and you have to maneuver that. And for me, I find it very difficult because maybe you don't want to lose the deal, so you're like, okay, maybe I'll take it, although you know it's a lowball offer, but then not realizing the impact that it actually has every time you're taking a low offer. You're operating from a place of fear, because the thing is, if you are so fearful that you're not going to make any money in this space, so now you're taking any offers, then you're not gonna make any money because your mindset is not even there. You're not attracting the good deals because you're too busy entertaining the lowball offers. And okay, I'm going in a whole different area, but what I wanted to say is that I've been in my head a lot about my channel in the past year in general, and there's a lot of challenges that happen as entrepreneur, and I think I kind of want to talk about them and be more open about them on my channel, because a lot of us are going through it, but we're not really talking about it. We're only sharing the successes but not the failures, and there's a lot of them. So that's what I wanted to say there. I definitely want to expand more in another video. Now, the last thing that I feel like we should talk about is my hair. If you can't tell, I have a new hair color, and I got my hair colored about a month ago now, I think. I think it's been about a month. It's been a while since I filmed a video, okay? We have a lot to catch up. Anyways, when it comes to my hair, I feel like I should make a whole video of its own. It definitely deserves a whole video of its own, so that's what I'm gonna do. I washed my hair last night, and this is actually a wash and go that I styled, and yes girl, it's going to be on my Instagram. I didn't really film it for YouTube, but it's going to be on Instagram, so make sure to follow me on Instagram. And that's about it. This is it for this update slash I'm back video, and I'm so excited to be here, you guys. I just feel like I cleared my mind and now I'm ready to work. If anything resonated with you, let me know down below, and don't forget to sign up for the newsletter, as well as leave a nice little testimonial for your girl for my Sephora Squad application. I would truly appreciate it, and I will see you in my next one.